In today's video, we are setting up the legendary Delta Executor using an Android emulator known as Mumu Player Android Emulator. Get ready to revolutionize your gameplay. Let's get this epic journey started. First things first, open any web browser on your Windows PC and blast off to mumuplayer.com. This is your portal to a world of Android gaming on your desktop. Once you are there, simply click on the prominent Download Mumu Player option. Once you have grabbed that installer, double click it to kick off the magic. Mumu Player will begin its seamless preparation for installation. Just hit that quick install button, lean back for a few moments while the files download, and just like that, Mumu Player will successfully launch, ready for action right on your PC. Now, let's get you browse. Find the Chrome browser icon within Mumu Player and tap it to start the download. It's super quick, just a few seconds. Once it's installed, launch Chrome. When the welcome screen pops up, you have the freedom to choose either jump right in and use without an account, or if you prefer, sign in with your Google account for a personalized experience. Your call. Now, for the main event in your Mumu Player's Chrome browser, head to allexecutive.com, just the way you see it right here. Once the site loads, navigate to the Delta Executor APK option from the top menu. Scroll down, pick your preferred download server, and click that Delta Executive APK latest version download button. Brief 10-second wait, and boom! Your direct download link will magically appear. Tap on, click here to download, and you will be whisked away to MediaFire. Hit that bold Delta Executive download button, then download anyway to confirm. In just a minute or two, your Delta Executor APK will be fully downloaded and ready for its grand entrance. Once downloaded, Delta Executor will begin its lightning fast installation on your Mumu player. Just a few thrilling seconds after the installation completes, hit open. Delta Executor will start its initial loading, preparing its powerful features. When prompted, make sure to turn on and allow all files success. This is crucial for its seamless operation. With Delta Executor fired up, it's time to link your gaming world. Simply enter your Roblox username and password to securely log into Delta Executor. Congratulations, you are in. Now the fun truly begins. Browse through your favorite Roblox games, select any title you wish to experience differently using Delta Executor, and click on it. Hit that play button, let the game load for a few moments, and then, bam! The Delta Executor menu will pop up, empowering you with incredible possibilities. Just go ahead, dive in, and start reimagining your Roblox adventures with the Delta Executor. Enjoy! And there you have it, legends. You have successfully unleashed the full power of Delta Executor on your PC. Whether you are optimizing gameplay or exploring new dimensions, you are now equipped to play your way.